Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We have a Firma Max roller door, and as you can see we have a broken key in, which is most likely caused by somebody having their bunch of keys and then sending the door all the way up, and that will knock it. So to remove this, first thing we have to do is reorientate the lock. As you can see, it's there. We want to turn this back, left to right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use some broken key extractors, and the one of choice will probably be the spiral one. So you can see that spiral there. Now that's LF27, so it's low on that side, it's got a star formation low on that side, so if we, we'll have to hold this with a double-sided tension tool. So we'll hold that in that orientation. That way, as we pull the key out, the discs are able to move in and out, backwards and forwards. I'll try and screw this in along the side. Alright, that's along the side now. It's always good to use two. I'll try using this one. Alright. So just trying to get a hold of it. It's slightly corroded. That one is useless. As you can see, the type of claws that are on that. I'll go on the top. Twist them together. I'm not getting any grip on that. We're going with this pick now on the side. Can you grab us a small flat blade? Yep. Okay. No, that's too big. Yep. This has been in there for a long time by the look of it. Right, this has been in for a long, long time. Can you do me a favour? Yeah. Can you go on the inside? Yep. There's a little tiny hole in the middle of the lock. Yep. And you need a spike tool, and just push. Sure? Yeah, a good sharp spike tool, because it's.
Is this holding sharp enough?
Yeah, you can try that. Yep. So on the knob, on the inside, there'll be a little hole.
Yep.
Just push it in the middle, and hopefully that'll start this key off moving it out a bit.
Okay, I see it.
Alright, see if you can Yep, that's good.
Keep going.
If you can, yeah. Perfect. Thank you very much. That's it. All right, now I'm using cyclotors straight out. Now I can duplicate this key. I can line it up from the tip, count how many cuts, duplicate it, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.